there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you love a good cup of coffee in the morning, I would highly recommend these different flavors from Nespresso. This is their 3-pack. It has the sweet vanilla, golden caramel, and roasted hazelnut. The roasted hazelnut is by far my favorite flavor of the 3, but they're all really good and easy to use. They all are the 7.77 ounce cup of coffee, and they are delicious. They each have a distinct flavor, but what I really like about this 3-pack is that it's not overwhelming and they are not too strong, but you can tell the difference between the vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut very easily. I've had my Nespresso machine for a few years now. It is so simple to use, and these pods are great for easy mornings on the go. And if you're like me, then maybe you enjoy a cup of coffee in the afternoon as well. I would highly recommend. That is just my point of view.